We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and sign in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on Sign Up and following the prompts to enter your details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your folders and files are displayed. To upload a file, click on the Upload button at the top right. You can choose to upload files or entire folders depending on what you need. Simply select your files from your computer and they will start uploading to your Dropbox. For organizing your files, you can create new folders by clicking on New Folder and naming it appropriately. You can then drag and drop files into these folders for better organization. If you want to share a file or folder, hover over it and click on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with and choose whether they can edit or just view the file. You can also generate a link to share with others directly. For accessing your files offline, you need to install the Dropbox desktop app. Once installed, your Dropbox files will be synced to a folder on your computer, allowing you to access them without an internet connection. Any changes you make offline will sync once you're back online. To manage your Dropbox storage, go to the Settings in your account menu. Here, you can see how much storage you're using and upgrade your plan if necessary. Don't forget to regularly clean up your files to avoid running out of space. Using Dropbox is a great way to keep your files organized and accessible from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.